My name is Carlo from BEd 2 Section 3. Good day, everyone. Friends, colleague, and guest. I stand before you today not merely as a prospective educator, but as a fervent believer in the transformative power of education. I have chosen this profession not out of obligation or convenience, but out of a deep-seated passion for nurturing young minds and shaping future generations. The future, I believe, rests not in technological advancement alone, but in the hand of well-educated, compassionate, and critical thinking individuals. And it is my profound honor and privilege to dedicate my life to cultivating these qualities in the student will serve. My journey towards embracing the teaching profession wasn't a linear one. It wasn't a sudden epiphany, but rather a gradual realization of growing understanding of the profound impact a dedicated educator can have a student life. It began with my own experiences in the classroom, where I witnessed firsthand the dedication and passion of my teachers. They were more than just instructors. They were mentors, guides, and source of inspiration. They instills in my in me not only knowledge but also for love for learning, a thirst of understanding and belief in my own potential. This experience shaped my worldview and ignite within me a desire to pay it forward, to share the gift of knowledge and empower others to reach their full potential. Beyond my personal experiences, my decision is rooted in a deep understanding of critical role education plays in societal progress in rapidly evolving world characterized by technological advancement and global interconnectedness. Education is not longer a privilege but necessity in the cornerstone of individual growth, economic prosperity, and social justice. A well-educated populace in resilience, capable and adapting to change, solving complex problems, and contributing meaningfully to society. As educators, I inspire to be a catalyst for this positive change, shaping my students with the skills and knowledge they need to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. My approaching teaching is grounded in several key principles. First, I believe in fostering a student centered learning environment. This means recognizing that each student is unique, possessing their own strengths, weaknesses, learning styles, and aspiration. My classroom will be as a space where the diverse perspective and value. These questions are encouraged and where students feel safe to take the risk of explore their intellectual curiosity. I will strive to create dynamic and engaging learning experiences utilizing a variety of teaching methodologies to cater to different learning styles. This might involve incorporating technology, project-based learning, collaborative activities, and hands-on experience to make learning relevant and meaningfully. Second, I believe in the importance of critical thinking and solving problem skills. Today, complex world it is not enough to simple and memorize facts and figures. Students need to equip with the ability to analyze, information critically, evaluate arguments, and formative their own informed opinions. I will encourage students to question assumption, challenge conventional wisdom, and develop their own independent thought process. This will involve incorporating activities that promote critical thinking, such as debates, research papers, and problem solving challenges. Third, I am committed to fostering a culture of collaboration and teamwork. It is the real world most problems are solved collaboratively, and success often requires teamwork and effectively communication. My classrooms will be a place where students learn to work together, share ideas, and support each other. I will design activities that promote collaboration such as a group project, peer tutoring, and collaborative learning strategies. Furthermore, I recognize the importance of emotional intelligence and social emotional learning. Academic excellence is undoubted, undoubtedly important, but it equally critical to cultivate student emotional intelligence, empathy, and social skills. These skills are essential for building strong relationships, navigating social situations, and contributing positively to society. I will incorporate activities that promotes emotional intelligence such as mindfulness exercises, discussions but about social issues and opportunities for students to develop their empathy and interpersonal skills. Finally, I committed to lifelong learners. The world is constantly evolving as as an educators to understand the importance of staying current with the latest research, teaching methodologies, and technological advancement. I will continuously seek opportunities for professional development, attending workshop, conference, and pursuing further education to enhance my teaching skills and knowledge. I believe that lifelong learners is not just a principle for my student but also committed I make for myself. Choosing the teaching profession is not simple career choice. It is a committed to cause of dedication to shaping the future. It is a journey filled with challenges but also immense reward. It is opportunities to make a different a real difference in the lives of young people, to empower them to reach their full potential and contribute to a brighter future for all. I am eager to embrace this journey to learn and grow alongside my student and to become the best educator I can be. I stand before you today not just as prospective educators but as a passionate advocate for the transformative power of learning. In a world increasingly defined by rapid technological advancement and global interconnectedness, the role of educators has never been more critical. We are not merely dispensers of information, we are architects of futures, shaping young minds and empowering them to become active, engaged citizens of the world. I chosen this profession not for the accolades for financial rewards, but for the profound impact of it offers. The opportunity to witness the spark of understanding ignites a student's eyes to guide them through a moment of intellectual struggle and celebrate their triumphs. It is a essence of what drives me in is a privilege to be a part of a student journey, to help them to discover their passion, cultivate their talents, and develop the critical thinking skills necessary to navigate the complexity of life. And thank you.